Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the right side hinge cover in this LG refrigerator, you will need a step stool and a Phillips head screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Unscrew both Phillips head screws and remove the hinge cover. Remove the new hinge cover from the package. Snap the new hinge cover into place over the hinge bracket and secure with both screws. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.